Hi everyone, if you can believe it, we are in the last 2 weeks of class. Well, it's really more like the last week and a half of class because week 16 is a short week. We will end that week on Friday, May 13th, the official end of the semester. So well done, you've made it. So here we are, the lay of the land of things. First off, of course, you've turned in your toolkits, and I'm really greatly looking forward to looking at those. You can expect to have feedback from me on those within the next week. So you'll check out the assignment Dropbox for my feedback on those. During this week, please take time to check out the toolkits posted in the class discussion area from your classmates as well. I'm sure that you'll find some additional good ideas and perspectives and things that will hopefully be useful to you as you are able to apply these tools in your own areas of work. The other thing that we'll be doing this week is a discussion that allows you to kind of bring together a lot of the things that you have learned throughout this semester and figure out how to apply them to some sort of situation, some sort of learning or teaching situation in your life. So that discussion will, kind of ask you to look at some sort of challenge or thing that you've been working on in your teaching and see if you can then use what you have learned this semester to address that. So that'll be our main discussion for this week, kind of a way to synthesize the semester as a whole. And then next week, week 16, which again is our short, just our 3-day week, there's not a great deal to do. Of course, your meta reflection is due at that time. Hopefully you've been enjoying, I think that's a word I can use, looking back on your reflections from this semester and then being able to tie those together into this final paper. So of course, yep, that is due in a week. And then our only discussion in our short week next week is going to be just kind of a quick hit on what kind of were the salient points or a couple of points within your meta reflection that you would like to share with the class. So that's it. That is the content. That is the work that is left for us this semester. The only other thing that I would like to point out is I would really, really appreciate if each of you could complete the course survey for this class. So the link to that, if you go into your class in Canvas, you'll find a link that simply says course survey on the very left-hand side of your screen. And when you get in there, if you're taking more than one class, you'll actually be able to access right in that link, the survey for all of your classes. So I really, really do appreciate you taking a few minutes to fill that out. And yeah, just to let me know what your experience was with this class as a whole. That information really is something that I do look at carefully and take into careful consideration every semester as I work towards hopefully always improving what I'm doing. All right, so there we are, our last 2 weeks, week and a half of class. Just an opportunity to kind of really tie things up, and I look forward to being able to do that with all of you.